Welcome to Louisiana's Bayou Country Outdoors. Hosted each week by Susan Melton and Maurice Fontenot. And now it's time for this week's Louisiana Bayou Country Outdoors. Hello folks, I'm Maurice. This past week, Susan and I had the honor to be asked by Reggie Knowles of the Stack Barrel Hunting Club to participate in an Operation Military Embrace event. Now, Operation Military Embrace is a nonprofit organization whose goal is to help our nation's wounded warriors in their transition from military life. The three-day event was primarily a Southwest Louisiana teal hunt at the Stack Barrel Hunting Club that included an afternoon of fishing. These young men were also given a great meal and were honored by local dignitaries at one of the area's premier steakhouses. Our show this week will be with the Wounded Warriors on their afternoon fishing trip, so stay tuned. We'll be back with fishing right after these messages.
With Jerry Reed, and you have a really neat organization that you're going to tell us about for the military guys.
Yeah, thank you very much. One thing that the public doesn't really understand, doesn't know about what happens to these young men and women when they medically separate from the Army, the Marine Corps, the Navy, or the Air Force when they're injured, is that their disability pay may not start for 6 months to a year and sometimes longer. They have an expectation when they exit the service to have immediate disability pay come in, and it doesn't happen. And so as an organization, we might provide bridging support for these young men and women in terms of, in the form of tax-free grants for an extended period of time to get them through a difficult time. We pay their car notes, their house note, their insurance, and whatever obligations they have, and maybe give them a little additional cash for groceries, etc. But to date, we have supported 12,156 injured and family members across America. We have a big activity at Brooke Army Medical Center in San Antonio, where we provide a free PX once a year, and we provide $200 to $400 worth of goods to each family, and there are over 1,000 families in recovery at Brooke Army Medical Center. So you got a husband or a wife recovering, and they've got little children, so we bring them Christmas, etc. But those are the kinds of things that we do as an organization, as well as the hunting and fishing outings, where we coordinate with wonderful patriots like Reggie and his family, Reggie Knowles and his family with Stack Barrel Hunting Club.
Jerry, that's a lot of money that you're gaining. Where's all the funding coming from?
The funding really comes from good, loyal patriots and really the body of Christ. It's churches. We have a lot of churches and the membership of these congregations that support us. And so our donors are not large, wealthy donors. They're people who have a little bit in the way of assets, very, very small asset bases. And they provide $25 to $50 a month or so over an extended period of time to help fund us. And we raise about $500,000 a year, and we consume 100% of it in support of our injured and their family members. But our funding is from good, loyal patriots who are good Christians, because we're a Christ-centered organization with no paid staff. Basic tackle box from Bayou Country Outdoors is a special gift for your service and for the country. You bet.
You're welcome.
Absolutely.
And are
Here
these
come the
some
rest
more?
of these gentlemen.
Okay.
It's got a little bit of salt water, a little bit of brim, a little bit of fresh water, and
Here's a special gift for you from Bayou Country Outdoors. Help you with your fishing, salt water and fresh water. Perfect. All right. Thank you. You bet.
You're welcome.
All right.
No pin lures in there, guys.
Enjoy. Hope you
No
catch
pin
some
lures.
with them.
Yeah, we could probably use one of those. Right?
Yeah, really.
Awesome. Well, good. What'd you catch it on? Oh, okay, cool. A lizard. Yeah, that's one of my favorite baits is a lizard. Oh, boy. Very good. What'd you catch that on? Black worm. Oh, awesome. Good job. All right, come on. Same bait, huh? Yeah, it is. It's with some grass there. Awesome. So
Yeah.
who's our star of the show today? What's your name? Jesse. All right.
Yeah.
Look at that. A lot of salad there, huh? That one's bigger than the other one. Wow. Hey, you didn't kiss it. It's okay, hey. A fish, that's a skinny one. On a worm. Great. And what is your name? Johnny, good job. It's a tough one, he's got it good. Very good. Yep. Well, yeah. Awesome, look, yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one, yeah. Catching some good fish.
Oh, great. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh, in the bushes.
Oh, wow.
Come on.
Oh, they're catching a lot of lettuce with theirs. Good job. Awesome.
Look how he handled that mess
Wow. He wanted to get away.
Anyway, so we get some other catch them on.
Worms,
Worms.
worms, lizards.
Yeah, I just went to the worm spinnerbait, wasn't doing any good, but you know, we got a little practice food through, and that sometimes shuts the fish down, but these little private ponds like this, they usually kind of stay hungry anyway, so.
You got the watchers, huh? Yeah, making sure that they catch the fish, right?
We learn.
Okay. Or is it just because you guys are in the shade?
That's another reason.
We're trying to learn from their mistakes, and they're making a lot of them, so we're so later on we can actually make it happen.
Oh, hey, he counts. He got 2 eyes and a tail.
That's right. It's a big one.
Oh, you got him on the top water? On the top bar?
Pop bar. Just real slow, a little smaller one. 1.5.
All right, where'd you get?
That's the way you do it.
Where'd you get him on? Oh, okay.
Brush on.
Yeah.
Ray, did you catch the fish?
Yeah, but he tongued his.
Oh, he tongue kissed. If I tongue kiss, I'm...
Oh, in the grass. You still on that little popar?
Yeah.
All right.
A little better fish.
Oh, yeah. A little bit better, yeah. No, I was told you were supposed to tongue that fish after you kissed it.
Oh, no.
Oh, no way.
That's too many of those be kissing.
You'll end up with fish breath, huh?
Yes, sir.
Sushi breath. Now, I tell you, I'm really surprised they're hitting top water. It's the middle of the day.
Well, that popar is...
The turtle likes it.
All right, come on, fish. Oh God, there better be a fish in here. You know what?
Is there a fish in there?
I don't think so. I'll be surprised if there is. It's shaped like a fish. It bit, and then look at all the grass I end up with. Hey, that's my fish salad. That's what you call a fish salad. It got away. It felt good too, though. I'm gonna go back and get him. How dare he do this to me? Goodness. Look at that. There's got to be something that we can make out of this stuff. It's so thick.
It looks like that popar is the trick today.
I picked up a little popar.
Yeah.
The only thing is,
I just put a
the
super
grass.
popar on for Susan back over there, and she says, "You want me to fish it?" She's a worm fisherman.
Well, you gotta change it up.
Oh yeah. When we go fishing, I'll have 13 rods to boat. She has 3, I have 10.
Well, I mean, this is shallow lake.
Oh yeah.
Popars really thrive in shallow water. You see the fish moving.
Yeah.
That's a bigger fish. I don't know what he's fishing.
All right. That's a better one, isn't it?
I think it's a turtle.
Oh. Oh yeah. And a good turtle at that. No, it's just a red ear. That's a red ear. But he'll still bite the daylights out of you. Now see, this is the guy who didn't know much about fishing, and look what he's got.
That's the one who did the hook on me.
There you go. Just grab him tight when you grab him. There you go. That lady over there has got a fish. There you go.
Catch anything with the worm.
Okay, just throw him back in, straighten your worm back out.
I have one. It seems heavier than usual, but I mean, I don't know. We'll see. I felt the bite, but no.
He's on there. I just saw it wiggle.
There is a fish in there. I thought that was lettuce again, but there's a fish hidden in there.
There's a fish in there, yeah.
Yeah.
You know what? You caught a brim on a popar.
A brim. I was like afraid to show. I was like, oh my God, it's going to be lettuce again. Will you take a look at this? A brim on a popar here.
Okay, I'm going to go over to one of the other guys that has a fish.
Yeah, go ahead, and I'm going to take all the salad off.
I have some Marines here with me today who have been injured in combat, and I got Jesse Medina right here to my right, and I've got Staff Sergeant Ray Coffey, and I got Christopher William Birdsall. Okay, Christopher William. William Christopher Birdsong? William Christopher Birdsong, yeah. So you got too many names there, Birdsong. We just call him Corporal. He's got the same name as a lot of guys in the Marine Corps. So we're here at the Stack Barrel Hunting Club's facility, and they've invited these Marines to come in and have a teal shoot this weekend. So that's this week, and so that's what we're doing. We had a very successful morning this morning. We killed 5 dozen teal, so everybody basically got a limit. So we're good to go in terms of the number of ducks we've taken with Reggie Knowles and his team, and they've just been so gracious to have us here and to provide us with the accommodations and eats and stuff. You guys want to say anything, Jesse?
Well, I'm Jesse. I'm from Houston, and just enjoying shooting some stuff, shooting animals with the OME here, and can't really ask for much more.
I'm Staff Sergeant Coffee. I've been working with Jerry here for about a year. He's helped my family and multiple families in Houston substantially, and it was a great honor to come out and hunt with him.
I'm from William Birdsong. I'm out here enjoying the weather and shooting the birds.
Set your hook. There you go. Okay. That's your second one, I know for sure. I missed that a while ago. I got just a little bit of it.
I let the other one free, threw it back in the water, and about 2 seconds later got another one. So.
No, it's the same one.
No, the other one was actually still swimming around here somewhere.
Oh. All right, you got one. There we go.
Big one.
Hey, they're all about that size, but they got 2 eyes, a tail, and they swim. He got the biggest turtle. Yes, he does. That little pop R is doing him a... Yeah. What color is that pop R?
I went to a spook.
Oh, you went to a little spook? A small one or a big one?
Real small one, 1.5.
Okay. Folks, that's a lesson. He's throwing a little small pop R, and I changed to a little R spook. When you're fishing these farm ponds like this, you hit another one, look at that. You downsize your bait and you slow it down just a little bit. Hurry up, get that fish off and catch another one. Look at that, look at that. 3 casts, 3 hits. I'll be. You disappoint me. That was your 4th cast, no fish. Yeah, ain't over yet.
The last one I caught like that was in the eye.
Got little sharp teeth.
Just watch them little sharp hooks. That's it. Take one of them out and then the other one. There you go. Well, you know what? Your rebel yell didn't work. Try another one. You fished a worm, right? That's Susan. She loves that worm fishing.
Isn't that fun having to take all that stuff off? You're catching some brim, huh? Is that what you had last time too? Cool. Lots of fun, huh? Cool, you gonna kiss it? He says, yeah, kiss it, 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 kiss it. Ooh.
Well, folks, that's it for this week's show. Susan and I want to invite you to tune in next week for part 2, where we'll be teal hunting with some of these fine young men. Dish satellite viewers, listen up. We're proud to announce our association with the Hunt Channel TV network starting in July of this year. Susan and Maurice's Louisiana's Bayou Country Outdoors can now be seen every Tuesday morning at 5 a.m. Central on Dish Satellite Angels 2 Network Channel 266. Thanks for watching Louisiana's Bayou Country Outdoors. Hosted each week by Susan Melton and Maurice Fontenot. Louisiana Bayou Country Outdoors is produced and directed by Maurice Fontenot and Susan Melton. For more information about the show or for advertising opportunities, you can contact us at Outdoor Adventures Productions, 1019 Shady Lane, Westlake, Louisiana 70669, or call us at 337-794-5407.